Data processing is the engine behind modern finance. Today we compare batch and stream processing to see how they handle your data. Let's look at the fundamental differences in how these two systems move information from point A to point B. Batch processing works in large, scheduled blocks, while stream processing handles data as it arrives, one event at a time. Latency is the main difference. Batch jobs might wait hours for a trigger, while streams react in mere milliseconds. Batch is perfect for tasks where you don't need an immediate answer, like your monthly payroll or end-of-day accounting reports. Stream processing is vital for things that need instant reaction, like detecting credit card fraud before a transaction completes. Most large firms don't pick just one. They use a hybrid approach to maintain both efficiency and real-time accuracy. The bottom line is simple: use batch for scale and cost, but use streams when every second counts. If this helped clarify how your data moves, subscribe for more tech and finance basics. See you next time.